Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the Alox 2021 Limited Edition Pioneer-X by Victorinox. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. The 93mm Alox knives are very popular with users and collectors in the Swiss Army knife community. The Pioneer is basically a two-layer civilian version of the 93mm soldier's knife, and for many years Pioneer users requested Victorinox to add scissors to the Pioneer. In 2016, Victorinox did just that with the release of the Pioneer-X. It was awarded the prestigious title of Multi-Tool of the Year by multitool.org, and it has a few notable variations, such as the 2016 Damascus Edition and the 2020 Winter Magic Special Edition. In 2015, Victorinox started releasing annual limited edition Alox models. Each year is a different color and sold in special packaging. For 2015, it was Steel Blue. 2016, Orchid Violet. 2017, Olive Green. 2018, Berry Red. 2019, Champagne Gold. And in 2020, Aqua Blue. Now, this initial rollout of these limited editions included an Alox Classic, an Alox Cadet, and an Alox Pioneer. But for 2021, they changed it to a Classic, a Pioneer-X, and a Hunter Pro. So let's check out the Pioneer-X. I believe I picked up this knife from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It was $69, and I'll have a link for that in the description. So each year with the Alox Limited Edition collection, they come in a box similar to this, and this box is a little bit wider as far as length for some reason. And there you have a part number, but it's a nice little collector's box, if you will. So as we open it up, and I have a video on the 2020 knife, the Pioneer, but as we open it up, we'll see that we have this kind of inlay here, which is a little bit different than the plastic that we had before. And then we get a little card here that says this is the 7th year of the Alox Limited Edition knife, and they're limited by year. So if you want one of these, pick them up before they're gone, because if you wait and try to find them on eBay or something like that at a later date, they get pricey quick. You get your standard care, use, and maintenance card. And then we get our first look at that beautiful tiger orange Pioneer-X. So the Pioneer-X takes the standard Pioneer, which was 2 layers, and puts it out to 3 layers, which puts it right at about 5/8 of an inch wide. We're still about that 1 inch in height at 93 millimeters. We get our keychain, and then for each of the special edition limited Aloxes, you get the year of manufacture engraved in the back. And in looking at the card, the Alox scales are punched from aluminum, embossed, and then anodized in a subsequent process stage. The Aloxo process uses anodic, I don't know, oxidation to create the protective layer and give the scales its color. The oxide is hard and provides additional scale protection against damage and corrosion. However, with wear, it'll wear off. So getting into the knife, you have your standard opening layer with your can opener and precision screwdriver. Get your cap lifter and bottle opener with the 90-degree stop, the wire bender, and the standard hollow ground screwdriver. Then you get what makes it the Pioneer-X versus the Pioneer, and that you get the included scissors, which are obviously of the newest variety, being that this is a 2021 knife, and it is 2021. Get the standard main blade, and for ting stamps you get Victorinox Swiss made stainless with nothing on the rear. Then you get the soldier style reamer awl with the sharpened edge. And you can kind of see how that's a little bit different than some of the older knives. This was a solid piece. I think they changed to this style in somewhere around 1961 with their soldier knives. Pretty nice. I'm digging that orange color. So some related models to this are obviously the Pioneer, which has no scissors, the Farmer, that takes the Pioneer and adds wood saw in place of the scissors, and then the Farmer-X that adds the wood saw and the scissors. And we'll be checking one of those out here in a little bit. If you like this channel and you like these types of videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.